Hey guys, what's up? It's Serenityydoll and I am back today with another video for you guys. So today I am going to be dyeing my hair black, and I'm sorry if the camera is shaking and moving. I'm trying to like stable it, but this hand hurts, so my hand, I think I twinked my hand at work a little bit, but it's cool. We're good. But yeah, so I'm going to be dyeing my hair black today, and pretty much my natural hair color is kind of like a lightish brown. It kind of looks like it has reds in it, only because I used to have my hair red a long time ago. Don't even ask for pictures because I don't like it. But anyways, so I've been dyeing it black ever since I had stopped with my Betty bangs. If you do know me before and my other previous videos, which I have some of them on private and one of them is still public, which is the Enrage versus Manic Panic hair dye. I used to have my Betty bangs and they used to be different colors. I used to have them blue and purple and green and lavender and silver at one point, and it was just crazy. But I would always have them colored and the rest of my hair black. But since then, I've just been dyeing my hair black since they have grown out. And yeah, so my hair is a little light, like you can tell, like right here too, they're kind of burned because of my little baby hairs. But you can tell that my hair is light right on these corners, especially in the light if you're in person. Yeah, you could just tell that it's lighter. My scalp is way lighter than the rest of my hair. So I'm going to be dyeing it all divided, separated, leaving it in for at least an hour, black. So yeah, I'm going to be using Rusk. So we're just gonna get this started. Sorry if this intro was like really long. I can't shut the fuck up. So let's get into this hair dyeing video, whatever. Bye.
Alright guys, so first and foremost, you're going to be needing some latex gloves for this. Any color is fine. I found these black ones at Sally's. These are medium and I do have small. It's honestly all in your preference. Sometimes I make them a little fitted, sometimes a little looser. Honestly, it doesn't really matter, just whatever you're comfortable with. Also, you're going to need some Vaseline, and let me tell you why. So you put this around your face before you dye your hair, and if you get dye in your skin, this is kind of like a block so it won't stain your skin. You're definitely going to need it because it's such a lifesaver. So get some Vaseline, or maybe a tub, and a blue little plastic bowl, any color is fine, just to put your hair dye in. Some hair clips. I found all of this at Sally's for like $1 something. A comb also from Sally's, like $1 something. Alligator clips from Sally's. Also some little like brushes just to put the dye on your hair. Those are also like $1 or $2, I believe. Now this isn't required, but this is a protein filler. So basically if you have like damaged hair or whatnot, or brittle hair from bleaching or whatnot, you put it on your hair before you dye your hair, and it's supposed to like give it more protein and nutrients, and it just like protects it. So I definitely recommend that if your hair is a little bit damaged. Now for the developer, this is the Sally's one. Any one is fine. The lower the number, the darker it comes out. I do have the volume 10. So this is the Sally's one and the Ion one with the purple. I recommend the Ion just because I feel like it just conditions your hair more and it smells really, really good, but both are perfect and fine. Ion is my favorite though. So, and then this is the dye I'm using. This is the Deep Shine Rusk one, and it is the Pure Pigments. I like this one a lot. It does stay and last on my hair way longer, and I recommend this one. I think I got this one online. I'll link it down below. And then you're just gonna need some newspaper just to get dye anywhere, because I get dye everywhere. And other than that, you are good to go, guys. Okay guys, so you're definitely going to need a towel for this, just so you won't get dye all over yourself or your clothes or anything like that. So make sure you get a towel you don't really care for, just in case any dye gets anywhere. I'm getting the Vaseline, and like I said before, this is definitely going to protect your skin, so that way you don't get any stain from the hair dye. I just put it like around the edges, like my forehead and like the side of my face, and I'm also going to be putting it like on my chin and stuff like that. You could put it all over your face, but I don't really care to, just because I really don't get it all over my face. It's just like the sides mainly. And yeah, pretty much. So I do have my makeup on this one. I forgot to take off my makeup, my bad. But I do recommend not having any makeup while you dye your hair. Either way, it's just make sure you put Vaseline on, because it is going to help you, boo. Okay, so just, see, do my chin. Yep, real quick. Just put it on the side right there. I love to use like my long nails. It just helps me so much. So whatever. And then the hair dye I'm using, pretty much I'm going to be getting this, and I'm going to pour it in the little plastic blue bowl. Like I said, you're going to need one of these. You're going to mix everything up all together. I used about a tube and a half. Like I said, my hair is very, very thick. Oh, don't mind my facial expressions, guys. I was watching a movie during this whole entire like dye thing. So yeah, just ignore my face. I look like I'm so distracted. But pretty much once you have that in the bowl, you're just going to mix it up with the developer. So this is the Ion. It smells so bomb. I love this one. It smells super, super good. And just going to be mixing it. I'm using a plastic fork just because I just need to like beat it up, mash it up, whatever. You can use the little brush that I showed in the beginning, but I like to use a fork. It's just kind of like beating it like eggs or whatever, just to get like a little creamy texture, because it is the cream that's coming out. It's going to be kind of lumpy, so just make sure you stir it up really, really good. And yeah, just like baking or something. So it should kind of look like that. And then once it kind of gets that, it is going to turn a little bit darker. Depending what color dye you're using or whatever. I'm just like mixing it up, you know, and then you get to apply it on your hair and see how this long mane, yeah, girl, I know. So I just part it, and then I just basically, once I part it into like 3 sections. Sometimes I do it in a 4, but mainly 3 sections. It honestly just depends on like my hair, how it is feeling that day, but it was straight, so it wasn't like at its natural wave. And I just like part it, and then I always just start from like my root and I work my way down after when I'm applying my hair dye. Yeah, girl, look at me looking like a cockatoo. That's real cute. Looks so weird. So you see how it turned dark, you guys? Yeah, so it turned pretty dark. I don't want to spill it because knowing my life, it'll get everywhere. And I just, like I said, I apply it at the root of my hair, and then I just work my way down. So you always want to make sure that you get the root of your hair, just like so. Like that. My hair looks pretty black right there, but honestly, it's really light. So yeah, you know, just like that. Just apply. Yeah, yep. Just like that. And don't worry if like the hair dye kind of comes out lighter. It's gonna get dark. Like it's just hair dye itself, you know, mixing it up and everything. And yeah, pretty much. So watch me do my thing or whatever. A hit.
Okay guys, so I am finally done putting the dye all over my hair, and it is jet black, as you could tell. The color on the box is called Intense Blue Black, which is supposed to be like the darkest black because it's blue is supposed to make it darker, something like that. I don't know, but it's intense. So this is a dye that my friend Jessica would use on my hair when she would dye my hair, and this dye lasts forever on me. Like, it lasts forever. Like, it's really good. So this is what it is right now. It was kind of leaking, so obviously there's like some dye right here. I got a little bit of dye on my face, which is why you use the Vaseline, so when you wipe it off it doesn't really sting your skin. The only thing I forgot to put Vaseline on was my ears, and obviously like I got a bunch of black on my ear, but that's bound to happen. That's the only thing about dye. I have not dyed my hair by myself in a very long time. I forgot how messy it was. Like, legit, it was so messy. Like, thank God I put like a towel on the floor and like little newspapers, because it got everywhere. Like, you don't even think it will get there, but it's like splashes everywhere. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna let it set in. Right now it is 10:58 right now. How time goes by. I'm probably gonna leave this in for an hour, maybe less, but yeah. So I'm just gonna chill for a minute, and then I'm gonna take a shower. I will show you guys when I'm done blow drying it out and straightening it, if I decide to straighten it right now, because it's really hot. So yeah, I'll be back. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? So I had finished dyeing my hair after letting it sit in my hair for about an hour, maybe like an hour and a half, because I was editing some videos. There's nothing really wrong that I know of for leaving it in for that long, but I like to even leave it in pretty long, just because I feel like a little bit longer the better. But the amount of time to leave dye in your hair is maybe like 30 minutes or so, that I've known from hairdressers and my friends telling me. So I left it in for a little while long, and this is how my hair came out. So hopefully you guys could see. I put my ring light on just because I felt like it would definitely show if my hair was lighter or darker. It looks shinier, it looks darker. I know that it may be hard to tell, because looking at my previous videos, my hair just kind of looks black, and I feel like maybe just like the top looks a little brown, or sometimes you can't even really tell. Definitely can see a difference. You can't really see like the brown or like the light that was, because I did have like a little bit of like, some of my hair is like kind of burned on the side from my baby hairs right here, and you can't really see that. Sorry if my hair's staticky. You can't really see that anymore because of the dye. So that is what it looks like. I do definitely think that the black dye does make your hair look healthier and shiny and sleek. I do highly recommend the Ion developer that I did use. It was number 10. It conditions your hair, it has a really good smell to it, and it really does make a difference, because after when I was washing it out, my hair felt so soft, and this is the second day that I had washed it, so definitely still feels soft. My hair doesn't feel dry, but I have been using coconut water mist, just because I feel like coconut is very healthy for your hair. When I don't put anything in my hair, I feel like it's just super dry. The thing that does replenish it for me personally is coconut water, coconut oil, anything that's for your hair with coconut in it, and it's all natural and organic, will definitely help you. But I hope you guys like this video. I don't want to keep jumbling on too much, because I know I can talk a lot. I just want to make sure that you guys have a lot of the information that I can possibly give you. Like I said, I am not a professional, but I do know a little bit about hair dyes, since I was doing it by myself at home when I was younger. And then when you get older, you just learn more. So this is just best of my knowledge. I promise I wouldn't try to steer you in the wrong direction. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do want to see how I got my hair, like I said, this long, and anything else, just leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. I would greatly appreciate it. Also hit that subscribe button, and if you want to keep up to date with me, please click that notification bell, so you can just keep up to date whenever I post a video. I do have more videos coming up, I have some photo shoots planned out. Please try to be a little patient with me. I'm trying to get these videos up as much as I can and fast as I can. I'm trying to still organize myself with work and whatnot since I am crazy busy, but definitely you guys are awesome and I appreciate all your support and I love you guys, so I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.